The worsening electricity and energy crisis in recent years has driven up the operational costs of air conditioning dramatically. Therefore, to reduce the energy consumption of air conditioning systems has become a major concern of the industry. As the world leader of HVAC industry, Carrier confronted the energy crisis with the application of its innovative concepts and strong technical strengths. In 2012, Aquaforce air-cooled screw chiller was launched by Carrier India, manufactured at its Gurgaon facility. The Aquaforce has a cooling capacity ranging from 174 ton to 409 ton. This product integrates world-leading technologies including high-efficiency screw compressor, the 4th generation flying bird fan, electronic expansion valve and flooded evaporator. Energy efficient. The full load efficiency of the product is 3.2, which is well above the ECBC requirement of 3.05, and it has an average IPLV of 4.4. The new O60 twin screw compressor has been developed by Carrier based on decades of experience to specifically operate with the environmentally sustainable HFC 134A refrigerant. The patented design of twin screw rotor profile, highly efficient motor and infinitely variable slide valve ensures optimal energy saving operations of the O60 compressor both in full load and part load conditions. Industrial type screw compressors with oversized bearings and motor cooling by suction gas along with the electronic motor protection against overloads and power supply faults make Aquaforce a reliable solution for Indian conditions. The India-manufactured Aquaforce comes with RTPF coil, which adds to reliability of the chiller. These coils are manufactured at Carrier India's state-of-the-art coil facility. The Aquaforce is also equipped with the electronic expansion device, which allows operations at a lower condensing pressure and improves utilization of the evaporator heat exchange surface. Additionally, the economizer system with electronic expansion device helps achieve enhanced cooling capacity and efficiency. Also, the flooded multi-pipe evaporator increases the heat exchange efficiency. Silent operation. Despite its outstanding efficiency performance, Aquaforce also excels itself in its unmatched low noise operation by adopting its patented 4th generation Flying Bird low noise fan. The shock absorbent installation of the compressor, the optimum design of the coil and the optional low rotational speed fans keeps the noise at minimum levels. Condenser coils in V-shape with an open angle also allows quieter airflow across the coil. Environment stewardship. The environmentally sound refrigerant HFC 134A with no usage limit is used by Aquaforce to realize zero damage to the ozone layer in the atmosphere. Moreover, the high operational efficiency and unique design of leak-free refrigeration circuit allows the product to keep the impact on greenhouse effect to the minimum. Easy installation. Main disconnect switch with high trip capacity along with transformer to supply the integrated control circuit makes the electrical connection simplified. Systematic factory operation test before shipment allows for faster commissioning at site. Superior reliability.